Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing your plan and entering a valid email. This gets you into the sign-up flow immediately. Once done, pick whether you're a single artist or managing multiple acts, because that choice shapes your dashboard. Make sure your card or PayPal is ready for the fee, and have your legal name plus tax info handy so payouts activate fast. This front-loading avoids pause points later and lets you proceed straight into uploading releases without stopping for missing details. You'll confirm the email link and secure your account by choosing a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. This prevents account lockouts. Then complete your artist profile with a short bio and social links so stores display accurate info. Once your profile is live, begin the upload. Select single/album/EP, add track files and metadata, and upload cover art at recommended 3,000 pixels for best storefront presentation. These steps ensure stores accept your release without metadata errors. You finish by selecting which stores to distribute to and choosing a release date and pricing. Make sure your choice matches marketing plans. Review licensing and rights confirmations carefully, and mark explicit content when necessary to prevent takedowns. After approving, submit and monitor the dashboard for processing updates. If a release is rejected, troubleshoot by rechecking metadata accuracy, audio file format, and sample rate, and artwork dimensions. Fix those, resubmit, and the release should clear valid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.